In this setup, I'm going to show you the cold saw. It's a 15-inch diameter wheel with several teeth. This has 92 teeth. They're high-speed steel. They do not cut hardened steel. So that's why we ask people to come to us and ask what you're going to be cutting before you set it up. The on-off switch has a high and a low, 1 and 2. Mainly 1 is fine for most of what we're cutting. If you're cutting plastics, you can go to a 2. You have your oil on-off here. It should be shut off until you're ready to cut. Okay. So we'll put it on 2. We'll turn the oil on. When you're cutting, pull down slowly into your cut and bring the arm back. Do not just let go. There's a heavy weight in the back on the motor, and we don't want that to fall. Here we have a stop set up with a gauge, ruler, and I'm going to cut a 5-inch piece. Lock that in, slide your piece in. This is important. Bring this in until you hit, back it off 1/8 to 1/4. This handle here is your lock. Hit that twice, the part will not move. Take the part out and do that. That way, if you're making several cuts, you don't have to turn this hand wheel in and out. Shut the oil off, shut the motor off, and your part is done. That's 5 inches. Here we're at the bandsaw, and before we get started with any hold down, there's one thing I would like to teach you as far as safety. I'm going to pull this so you can see this plate slides in, and it's for removal and putting in a new blade. But if you never put your fingers in between these surfaces right here, you'll never get hurt or cut. I make it a habit when I'm using this tool to put the palms of my hands down, leave them there, and push the part in with my fingers, okay? So that's a little bit of a safety tip for you to realize when you get to the saw that you want to be safe on this tool. It's one of the most dangerous tools in the shop. Okay, so if anybody's ever held a round piece and tried to cut it in here, you can see that it'll want to roll. The part will want to roll. So what you can do is take a vise upside down, clamp your part, and if need be, you can always chuck up on a square or rectangular piece as well and make your cut.